Hey, thank you guys. Welcome back to the channel. Here we are with this beautiful GT4 that came in. Customer took it home, ordered some seat belts and some door handles,
Max Racer
and went ahead and gave us a call and said, "Hey, you know what? I want to match my my yellow seat belts to the car and some door handle pulls." So here's a quick video on how we did it. Thank you guys.
180 miles.
We're gonna replace the seat belts on this, and first thing we gotta do is remove the negative cable from the battery. So, because we have SRS stuff. The spec on that bolt is a 10 millimeter. One of them guys. The green luckily one looks over here, and then the black one goes down here. Yellow seat belts to match the car. Here it is. New yellow seat belts. We're gonna remove the door panels, and I've already done some removal. Remove this cover here, the cover that goes here, and this one that goes up here, right? So now we gotta remove this one here, pop it out, so we can replace these guys. We just finished up the door pulls on it. Looks and works beautifully. Well, that's it, guys. There's our install. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please comment, and if you really like the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. We will be uploading more videos. Thank you, guys.